Hi, everybody. I'm going to be talking with you today about week 8 and 9, Looking at week 8, here's your PowerPoint about developmentally appropriate practice to introduce it. There's a reading guide that you will be using. Let me just open this up for you first really quickly. Excuse me, I meant to open this up. Here's your reading guide that's due on Thursday. It tells you what you need to read in the developmentally appropriate practice book, and that you need to complete the reading guide labeled DAP Reading Guide. And it's pretty extensive. It'll ask you the definition of DAP, the historical framework, and so on and so on. So just go through and follow that and respond to the answers to those questions. Here's the support folder that you'll need for this week. And by the way, for last week or this past week's work, I did go in and, not for the past week, but this week for week 8, this folder was not opening properly for some people. So I did go in and change the format. I think that was what was going on. But you'll see there's 150 total possible points here. So there's a lot of information that you need to go through and respond to for this. If anybody has any difficulty getting this to open up, please let me know. I don't think that will happen now that I have changed the format. But please let me know if you do have any difficulties at all with getting that to open. Then looking at week 9, there's the principles of child development due Thursday. So you're going to be reading pages 10 to 15, and you're going to read each principle, summarize it, and apply it. I won't go through all of this. You can read perfectly well yourself. It's worth a total of 100 points, and the document is on the support folder. So let me go back. Now, weeks 8 and 9 are kind of glitchy on here when you click on 8, 9, and 10, actually. Excuse me. It's somehow within the same framework when it was transferred over to the new Moodle, but everything is right there that you need. I'm going to go ahead and open the support folder file for week 9, and here it is. There's a summary statement and an application statement that you need to make for each of these. So, as always, if you have any questions with any of these activities as you go through them, please reach out to me and I will talk with you about it. You guys as a class have been awesome about that. I got an email the other day from the dean asking me how things were going, and I said, I think they're going really well, and hopefully the class thinks so as well. I know for many of you, this is your first online experience, and I hope it's been a positive one for you. So I hope you have a good remainder of the weekend. It's Sunday afternoon and it's beautiful, and a great week this weekend next. So let me know if you need anything, and I'll be talking with you soon.